Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the fuses for the ignition coils, stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, 2 fuses that you need to check, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses as well. Why we guys make all these videos, as you know, every single car we get here at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. This is because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And if you have a Dodge Challenger, we'll be making tons of videos, so drop a comment below if you need help with anything specifically. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts to use at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So right here guys, we will need to get to the fuse box under the hood. If you have a V6, V8 engine, it will work for both. This is the fuse box. You open it by squishing right here, pull it up, put it on the side, and we will need to check 2 fuses. Those fuses are really hard to tell sometimes if they're burnt or not, because they're hard to see guys, so we'll recommend to always test fuses when in doubt. I will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test car relays, and you will know if yours are good or bad. Also, if you need to buy replacement relays, fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So with that being said, which fuse you need to check? If you come from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, the third row right here, and you count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need to check that fuse right here. Check that fuse guys, and then you need to check the fuse next to it as well. These 2 fuses are known as ASD fuses, and they're practically for ignition coils and fuel injectors as well, but they're for the practically for ignition and fuel delivery of the engine guys. So these 2 fuses need to be checked. If you want to see how to replace ignition coils, if you want to see how to test ignition coils, fix ignition coil codes, all this will be on our channel. Please check it out. We'll be posting tons of content that can save you quite a bit of money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.